Right, well, on the travels today, we've popped into B&B Machinery. They, I believe, sort of a bit of a new dealership for them. They are, I think they've got a B&B tractors over Nottingham Way, and this is a brand new depot in Swineshead, so it's not that far from where we are, probably 20 minutes. And they are Manitou agents. So there we go. There is a vast array of Manitou machinery here. So we're going to have a look. It's a really smart new depot right in the right inside of the A17. So they've got some good passing traffic, and well, a good place to be. Right, we're going to have a look around. GCS Fleet. Right, so we just come through the new workshops here at B&B, and how impressive is this? Look, I think it's actually a new building, but nice workshops and nice bar there, but I don't think that'd still be here when they open to the public. Be nice though, wouldn't it? Bring a machine in for service and get free beer. You never know. Go look at the backyard. But what a workshop. You got. I'm being nosy now looking around, but well, look, a nice Washdown Bay out here as well. Certainly see that it's nice to see the company actually put some effort in and doing their business and making it oh, cracking on with it really. Oh, is that Washdown Bay? Look at that. Yeah, it's a Washdown Bay. All brand new. That's quite cool, isn't it? I see, drain. I think the vans are very distinctive, aren't they? Very distinctive. We've got to get our new service vans, and I do like that picture of Manitou on the side. That looks good. So this depot, B&B, this depot is purely going to be like a Manitou dealership. I think there's going to be some Husqvarna ground care, but on the agricultural side, it's just going to be Manitou. So there's a vast array of machines here. I'm not familiar with all the numbers of these, that's for sure. But so who actually runs Manitou? And it's quite a nice cab, isn't it? The one thing I do like about Manitou, well above any other brand of telehandler that I've seen, is the step. That it's so much easier to climb in and out of the machine. So, nice cab there. Fair enough, look at that. There we go. The filming of the filming. So now when you get out, it's very easy with your foot on the step just to get out. So the other thing we have had people comment to us is the fact they've got electric windows. With the JCB, as you know, you have to have the top door, you have to have it wide open. The Manitou there, it actually has an opening window. So is that a positive point? I don't know. I guess each their own really, isn't it? So this is a 1041 14.5, so I'm guessing it's a 4.1 tonne to 10 metres. I may be wrong. If I am, please tell me. That has obviously been sold there to A. Dunnington, contractor and farmer. That's a 737, so that would be the 7 metres. That's 3.7 tonne to 7 metre. So I'm guessing. So Manitou master truck. There. Now, a question for our viewers: is that something there that you think you would hire from GCS if we had any? We certainly have no qualms in running a few, or as many as you like, really. Let us know. Manitou Mini, now this is the 2.7 tonne. So this you could tow legally on your trailer behind the vehicle for nipping to jobs. I think JCB have bought a similar one out now, but nice machine. The little Arctic pivot steer, there's loads here, isn't there? I'm not going to get around them all, am I? But nice pivot steer there. We've got similar in a yellow colour, but again, anybody wants to hire one, would like one, you know, a Manitou machine, contract hire, let us know. If you think we're something that we should be supplying you, please let us know.
I want one of these. I don't know what for, but I want one.
That's a 6 metre reach, 3.5 tonne, 6 metre. They do look like a well-built machine, don't they? They really do look like a well-built machine, don't they? So all my viewers there that run telehandlers and watch telly and run them, what is the most popular size of telehandler that you run? What would you be running if you could hire it? Bib load tyres on there, Michelin bib load. We do have these tyres as an option on our machines. We do run a few with them on. Another 7 metre, 4.1. Now, not that in action, and I know nothing about these things, okay? I know nothing about these things. But over here, in its shed, is a lawnmower. Now, I know nothing about these things. Yeah, nothing at all, but there you go. There's a Husqvarna lawnmower in its shed. And I'm sort of guessing that it will come out and mow this lawn. So, and there is some sort of base station there for it. I've no idea. If you know how they work, please put in the comments below. But it's certainly a nicely kept bank there, isn't it, of kept grass. So there we have it. A huge range of oh look, a scissor lift there at the end. I know nothing about those. Yeah, so nice section of machines. So here is their depot. No, it's a new depot. It's right on the A17 here, which is a cracking good road for publicity. So brand new depot that looks really smart. So B&B Machinery. There's also B&B Tractors there in Nottingham, which I believe is all part of the same, although it's a separate business, I think it's all part of the same group. Another one there, vans there. They do look nice, don't they? Must get our van done. Maybe a bit of inspiration to get on and get some of these things done. So right, let's take you in and show you the showroom. They're all now looking now, if we come here with the camera, they're all going to run and hide, I suspect. We're going to walk in here with the camera, they're all going to run away and hide. So that, thought they were going to run away and hide there, but they haven't. So this is the showroom, this is the parts counter. We shouldn't be promoting this really, should we? Should be saying come to GCS and buy all this stuff, but we're here and it just looks smart. That's the service office through there. We're very sheepish now. It's very smart, doesn't it? It's very good, doesn't it? Yeah. Very good. So just looking around this depot, and look at this for a boardroom. Look at that. Look at that for a TV. And you can look out the workshop there. Look, there's Michelle down there. Nice view of the car park. Really good. Look at that TV. They can sit here, have a board meeting, and watch GCS on YouTube. How's that for a result? Right, we've just crept upstairs here. Probably shouldn't be here really, but this is the sales office. Look at this for smart. It's nice to see that so much effort has been put into this new dealership. So it's good to see. But I think all the salesmen are downstairs giving away cans of beer, I think. But there we go, look at that. Super smart. Good view of the car park as well, so they can see who's coming in. So yeah, I think it's a big credit to B&B here for what they produced. Nice canteen as well. I think they need a television. Oh, we've got Nick here from B&B. They need a television here, Nick.
Yeah.
So they can also watch GCS on YouTube at lunch, at break time. But it's good to see, isn't it? Nice to see.
That takes you out into the workshop.
Oh right, think the visitors can come straight up there.
Yeah.
Wow, what a nice place to work. We come along, back to the workshop again. Look. It's a very well thought out, isn't it? Very well thought out premises, so wow. I'm quite envious really. Right. We'd like to thank B&B Machinery for making us feel so welcome, showing us around the depot, showing us all the machines, showing the parts department, service department. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Fantastic. Great setup here, great depot, really, really nice people. Okay, really nice people. So we've been talking about having it all. Hang on, here comes Michelle. We've been talking to them about having Manitou machines in the GCS Fleet, so keep watching that space. We never know what's coming there. So anyway, have we had a good time, Michelle?
Yeah.
Been really good, really kind, met some really nice people. And right, so thanks for watching the video. Please click and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye. Right, this is a Joe Seals double ending. Just as we were about to leave, right, Michelle has spotted the lawnmower. Look at that. It's even got lights on it. Why does it have lights on it when there's no driver? Another question for someone. Why does this mower have lights on it? Is that just to annoy the neighbours? There we go, look at that. How cool is that? Right, anyway. We're definitely going home now, so it's from B&B Machinery and the Husqvarna lawnmower. We're going home.